What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ryan coming at y'all with another video today. Today's video, man, we're gonna be going over how to make your first clothing brand drop profitable. Um, Personally, me, I wasn't profitable on my first clothing drop, but now it's been about a year and a half. I own a brand called Evolving Studios. I've grown it to about 1.3K followers on Instagram, and my best month so far has been 6K, 5K gross, profited like 2K. Not that bad. I'm not a guru. I don't make 10,000, $20,000 a month off my brand yet, but I do have some useful advice that I do want to give you guys and share out to you guys, so you guys could become profitable and in your first drop, and don't go through the same mistakes that I did. The first thing, bro, you're gonna want to do is, of course, make sure your product's good. And things that you could do to see how your product is nice is, once you get your product, your sample, post it on Instagram, post it on TikTok, and notice how many comments you get and how many views you get on the video. If you post it on Instagram and TikTok and it gets, let's say 1,000, 2,000 views, that's all right. That's a little bit, but it's not that little. But if the video gets comments, then the product is either decent or good, so it could sell. And because people don't be commenting, so if people comment on your video and it gets about 2, 3K views, a couple likes, let's say 60, 80 likes, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So if it gets something like that, I would say the product is good. But let's say the video gets, 300 views, 300 views, no comments, maybe like 10 likes. I would maybe post it like 2 or 3 more times, but it keeps on doing that. The product isn't eye catching. It's not. The audience isn't feeling. The content that you're pushing out to Instagram and TikTok. The audience isn't feeling it, and they're not like engaging with it. So that could just mean the product is ass, and you're gonna have to make a better product. But that is a way where you could find kind of like a winning product. And of course, if you don't know how to design, just buy a design. Honestly, just that's what I did at first. Just buy a design, and they cost like $50, $60, and they make them pretty good. Just yeah, buy a design, post it, see if it does good in the first couple of videos. If it does, that's a good potentially sample or like a piece that you could get a bulk order on. And yeah, if you don't know how to design, just get a designer, bro. It's fine, bro. It's not that serious. The second thing you're gonna want to do is, whenever, let's say you do post right the product, right, and you get a couple comments, you get like 10 comments on the video, it was fire, whatever, you got a couple views, a couple likes. Let's say people like it, and you're gonna get the bulk order, right? I can't stress this enough. I used to do this a lot, but stop posting your clothes on the floor and expecting to get sell out. I know, even myself and you guys, we see people posting their clothes on the floor, getting like 1,000, 2,000 likes, a million comments, bro, fire. I couldn't get it because it was too late. But those are people that have been in the game for a long time, and those people have the option to do that now because they set a vibe, and like a vibe with their brand, if that makes sense. Like, let's say for example, when you go into Balenciaga or Dior, you only buy, like, if you go into that store, it's luxury. You already have, like, they have their target audience. That's what I'm trying to say. So when you have your target audience and you're setting a vibe for the customer, it really makes it, that much better for the customer to trust you. And you kind of have a store where you have a vibe that fits them, and it kind of makes them want to buy. So if you do have a vibe in mind that you want with your brand, it does, because the piece is nice, bro. The piece, because this is my brand right here. The piece is nice, but if I just post this on the floor, it might get some sales, but it's really only creating one-time customers. And when you have a brand, and if you are thinking long term, you don't want to just have one brand customers, bro. Like, you want to build, a community. You want to build people that mess with you, mess with your brand, mess with your vibe, mess with your aesthetic. So that does matter. So I would definitely say, stop posting your clothes on the floor and try to make some videos that build a vibe, build an aesthetic, whatever you like. It could be like, like Stussy, the brand Stussy. They their vibe is like skater vibes, streetwear, but they do it so good that, like, even someone like me, I don't like skating, bro, but like, they make it like luxury skating, like, it's just cool. Like, they just make it cool. And if you can make your brand like that, like, just cool aesthetic, like a nice vibe, bro, you'll sell out. You'll sell out, bro. Trust. Third thing I'm gonna say is definitely run Facebook ads. Definitely run Facebook ads, bro. If you don't run Facebook ads, you're missing out. You're missing out, bro. I can say when I ran my first ad campaign on Facebook, I spent about $300. Um, I spent $300 and it made me back. I think I got like a 3.5 ROAS. So I made back like $900 from that 300. So I profited like 600 from the ads. And bro, that's crazy. That was the first time I did it. And I really, for real, didn't even know what I was doing. I was just going on YouTube and seeing what people were like putting. And I just kind of like, I kind of copied it, but I kind of put it like I used a different creative and stuff like that. One thing I would recommend, if you guys do run Facebook ads, or when you get pieces in general, try to get the piece in a female and a male. So I can say that helped me out tremendously. When you get the piece in a female and a male, you can reach a female audience, you can reach a male audience, of course, and it just makes it better, bro. It works. I don't know, it works, bro. When you get I literally, my ad campaign, my Facebook ad was just me and a girl, and we had the same fit on with the same thing I was selling, and bro, it just went crazy. Like it just went crazy, and even the videos on Instagram and TikTok when it's like a boy and a girl with the clothes on, like it just does better. So I'll definitely say get on both genders in your videos and Facebook ads and everything with your clothing brand. Try to get both genders in there. Let's see what else for number 4. Definitely, I'm looking at things because I do be forgetting. So I just have a little thing here that I'm reading. Oh, understand where your money is going. Now, things that you could do. Okay, so when you get your bulk order, right? The manufacturer is gonna send you like, all right, let's say you got the sweatpants for $20, right? $20. You always want to sell your clothes for at least a 2.5x. So what that means is, you do 20 times 2.5, and that equals to like $45. What that does, it covers, because of course, us clothing brand owners usually cover shipping costs. At least I do. I put free shipping, but I include the free shipping in the price, if that makes sense. I just up the price for free shipping. I really wouldn't focus on getting a lot of profit, because at the end of the day, you are like, when you're a clothing brand owner and you only have 200 followers on your Instagram, you're really a nobody. On like the same thing, even now, I'm still not a big clothing brand owner, so I'm still considered really like a nobody. But when you do have 200 followers, it is going to be harder for you to get sales, and you just want to I would probably stick to like a break even. So let's say you're selling your piece for, let's say you get the piece for $20, whatever piece you're getting, you sell it for let's say $40 or 35. Once you ship the piece, it's probably like $5-6. So you might profit for like $6-7 at first, but that's only because you have to sell the piece. You have to sell the piece very At first, you can't sell the piece so expensive, because again, you only have 200 followers. Your website probably doesn't look good because you don't have experience. So you do have to just, bro, don't sell it expensive. At the end of the day, the goal is to get the product and people get it right away. You don't want to sit on products either. You don't want to get a shirt for $20 from the manufacturer and sell it for 50 and expect people to buy it. So yeah, I would say definitely that's something you guys do want to keep in mind. And if you guys do want a more in-depth video of everything that I'm saying, like I can make a video for even Facebook ads only. I can make a video for setting a vibe for the customer. I can make a video for like calculating shipping costs, and having like everything, like I can't make videos on everything individually. And yeah, if that's something you guys are interested in, let me know. But I did give those quick like 4 or 5 tips that I would recommend to you guys, that I would do if I got my first drop. And yeah, man, I think that's pretty much wraps it up. If you guys missed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys do want to check out my Instagram, my clothing brand Instagram, it's evolvingstudios.us on IG. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was your boy Ryu, and I'm out, bro. Peace.